Adi ara.
Gamit na Second World War.
Grabe po. Totoo talaga yung lakas nyo. Ha? Hindi. The real bullet. Kita kasih gun na. Gun siya. Gun. Basa, basa. I don't know how does it work. This one is the Jeep, old Jeep. Yo, yo. Sino gun? Oh, sino? The old school car. So you see the guns?
Work,
no? No, wala na. Karano. You see the bullets? You put the bullets here. Cartridge 40mm M950. This one is during the... Yeah, see, this is the Garan. I think this is Garan.
Gun,
Old cup. Plastic old cups. See, it's a real bullet. It's a machine gun. See? You hold it. You hold it. It's a real bullet. Yeah, it's a real gun. Here is army. World War II survival. Asa to sa layo, sa napa diri. Yo, napa diri yo. Yo, napa diri yo.
Say, stand up here, say.
Pero,
MacArthur Jeep, stand up here. Paborito mo step in there?
yan lang, sa gilid lang siya kasama.
Wala kang mga ligid, no? Mura mag mga steel.
See, kabiran.
Baka fragile. Okay, never mind. Say, if this is dumb, it's popular. Shut up.
Kalan siya ba? Ang tanaw siya.
This is not real, okay? That is true. This is a true car.
South Korean. This is South Korean Jeep.
This is the one they use.
See, Korean war.
No, it's not. I don't know. It still works. It's old. This is old, but this is true. Let's join the World War.
Yo,
Yeah, but I have a question. This is
the
the
bullet. 50mm.
Capable kag pusil pa.
Nilo ko pa lang sila.